Recently, everyone has had the overwhelming need to spend more time inside their homes. The pandemic really affected how most of us lived and how everyone went on with their work to provide for themselves and for their family. That is why it should come as no surprise that an increasing number of people are looking for ways to earn money online without having to leave their homes. What was once nothing more than a daydream has become a reality for millions of people. Those of us who have been working from home over the past few years have a lot less to justify to our relatives when we attend family get togethers, now that the path to making a living wage online has become much more transparent. So people are searching the internet for additional income opportunities. It won't cost you anything to get started using these approaches, and you'll have complete control over when and where you do your work. Most of the time, all you need to get started is a computer, phone, or tablet with a good internet connection. That is why today, we've put together a list of platforms where you can make real money without leaving your home. Welcome to Money Talk, where we discuss everything related to money. And today we are going to learn this automated way to earn money online. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So number one, we're going to get into feature points. So the first website that we are going to introduce to you is featurepoints.com. So in this website, you may make money simply by viewing videos online. This application can be downloaded from the App Store and Google Play for no cost, so you don't have to spend money at all. So they actually started in 2012, so this is already a considerable amount of time that they have been a source of income for a lot of people. Participating in contests and surveys, watching movies, and earning cash back are some of the options to earn passive income. But watching videos is the quickest, least time-consuming, and most financially rewarding method to make money on this website. To becoming a member, I want you to enter your email address and click the box that says sign up now, and that's basically it. For number two, we have AppNana. So AppNana is the second app on the list. You may actually get this app for free on the App Store for your iOS or Google Play smartphone and then use it to participate in a wide variety of activities. You can actually accumulate Nana points by participating in activities such as playing games, filling out surveys, and watching videos. Your Nana points can be exchanged for real money. So this can actually be converted to and spent using a variety of different payment systems. This includes PayPal, Skrill, Payoneer, and Bitcoin, among others. One more approach to boost your profits is to participate in the referral program. So you have the option to sign up for it, during which you will be prompted to complete all of the required fields and provide your information. After that, you may actually share the code on social media sites such as Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and make more money from people who sign up using that. But before I continue the list, just a quick question. Have you ever tried any of these websites, or are there any websites that you can recommend that actually provides income? You know what? Let us know in the comment section below. We would love to read about it. So let's move on to the third website, which is called MyPoints. So one of the reasons why I actually enjoy using it so much is because it gives a $10 welcome bonus to new users when they sign up. I mean, who doesn't like the fact that they will immediately offer you $10 as a welcome bonus without having you do anything else? That is just truly unbelievable. So I want you to listen to me. So all you need to do is to enter your email address and password and then click the Join Now button. This app actually provides users with a wide variety of options to make money. And watching videos is one of the many ways users have the potential to make money using the app. So the fourth app, which can be found in the App Store under the name AppTrailers, has been available for use for a really long time now. And it has a dedicated customer base. They're constantly introducing new versions that are updated and enhanced, and a new update has been published where users may earn money simply by viewing videos. There are a lot of viewing video sites around here, alright? So this is a part of a larger trend where they are continually improving and updating their products. They'll give you a very small sum for the older version, but for the newest releases, they will actually pay you a larger amount, so take note of that. And I think it would be best for you to watch anywhere from 3 to 5 movies all at once too, if you want more money. If you carry out these steps, you will be able to generate cash at a rate that is significantly higher than before. And here we are at the very final platform called Creation Rewards. So there is a $5 bonus for signing up for this service. Like the others on the list, this app allows users to watch videos in exchange for rewards like cash or gift cards. Since its launch in 2000, this platform has been rewarding its users for over 2 decades. Imagine that long? You can actually get paid to take surveys, watch videos, purchase online, and fulfill deals on the site. You should be able to carry out each of those tasks even if you do not have a great deal of relevant expertise. By the way, it is not worth your time to participate in the surveys that are offered on the website. The compensation is so meager that doing so would be counterproductive. Instead, give your full attention to watching videos for the time being. If you find that you are good at it and are interested in earning some additional money on the side, you may want to investigate a variety of opportunities, including visiting or surfing other websites. You know, there are countless possibilities to earn money online or from home that can be found on the internet. But many of these opportunities are suspicious, if not plain shady. Be aware of any opportunity that requires an upfront payment, wants you to pay for certification, or for any other financial information, such as your credit card number. Sheesh. Those red flags indicate that you should avoid the opportunity. So when it comes to your personal finances, the most important thing you can do outside searching for new income sources is to make a priority right now to get organized so that you can lead a more fulfilling life in the future. The same holds true if you want to generate money online and put a little bit of extra cash in your pocket each and every month. If you zero down on that strategy that resonates most with you and dismisses the other, you may find that your next source of money is much closer than you think it is. So get out there and earn more. Sign up for an account and get some popcorn because you'll be spending a lot of time watching movies. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button, click subscribe, and hit that notification bell to receive updates on our latest videos. Also, feel free to leave us a comment. If you want to watch more videos, head on over to our channel to see more from Money Talk. See you!